Hello everyone, it's Kathy with the Paper Phenomenon September Kit Club project. It is this vintage lunchbox that you all see right here that I'm sharing with you all now. It has a charm assembly, a really fun charm assembly. We're featuring some of the Prima Craftsman products here and an exclusive Paper Phenomenon trinket, which is this soda can top, if you will. All right, and it's really fun and cute, and I think it goes perfect with the vintage lunchbox. You can suspend it from right here. There's a chain that's dangling here, and you can suspend the trinket assembly from the front of the lunchbox, which I think looks really stinking cute. Or you can put it on the album, and I'll show you the mini album that goes inside. It's housed in this fun lunchbox right here. Really fun closure on this one here, and it opens up like this. And I haven't covered the inside, but the purpose of this video is to share the mini album inside. And this one is so fun, guys. It's so masculine in style, and I really enjoyed making it. It's really my style. I'm not big on, I love pink, but I'm not big on the fluffy stuff, whatever they're called. But I love it. I love the way that it turned out. It is a gatefold style, or like I like to call a bypass style album. It's featuring my hidden hinge system and binding, and it's the soft spine that you all been waiting for. So I incorporated the hidden hinge into the soft spine for you all in this one. On the front, it's all about me. And this one, you can take it in many directions. It can be totally masculine, or it can be a girl album. I mean, I can totally see pictures of me in here. And I love this boom right here. That's totally, it's just a lot of fun. And on the front, we've got a cute little pocket that's closed with, has a Velcro closure, excuse me. It's a functional pocket. You can totally put something in there. I love the pleated detail that I have going on here for the pocket. As opposed to leaving just a plain old pocket, I decided to pleat it, and it looks a lot of fun. Like a lot of fun. And on the closure, big boom and happening. We've got lots of metal here on the closure. So I'm going to share the inside of the mini album with you all, guys. But I want to let you know that it is just a preview, because I've only done a couple of the pages. I wanted to incorporate what we've been doing with the what have we been doing with the retrofit mini that you all join me on the journey here on YouTube. We've been scrapbooking in our mini albums, and we're going to continue doing that, guys. Of course, working with all the layers that we've been working for the past 8 episodes that I did for the retrofit mini, but also identifying those places where you can put your pictures. One of the biggest questions I get is, where do we put the pictures here? Because a lot of you love the pattern paper, don't want to cover it up. Well, the retrofit mini album took care of that, and this one will also, and this is on a much smaller scale than the retrofit mini, but it packs a punch. It's loaded. Just right here on the cover, you've got interaction. We've got a pocket here and a pocket here. Really nice sized pockets that hold large photographs. And of course, the little detail on here for the closure, a metal closure, D-ring closure. It flips on over to the back, and it's secured on the back. And there's some hot air balloons here in the background. Hopefully you can see that. And there's a hot air balloon in the chipboard set that you all get. So I decided to bring those hot air balloons up close and personal, and I added it on the back cover, and I love the way that turned out. And so for the inside, just right off the bat, you get interaction. There's going to be perhaps another pocket assembly here, or just room for a photo mat. On the inside, another pocket assembly over here, just like this one. We're going to do it up, but in a vertical style orientation for this on the inside. For the album itself, like I talked about in the retrofit mini, we want to go ahead and designate those photograph spots right off the bat. So that's what we did. Lots of layers, just like with the retrofit mini, guys, and you're gonna really love this. For those of you who catch my USTREAM class, we're starting to do the projects from start to finish, where We are creating the project, we are creating the pages, and then we're decorating and matting all during the class. So it gives us an opportunity to work on those projects from start to finish, actually finish the project, and talk about what you all do and what I all do and the reasoning behind all of the decisions I make when I'm creating a mini album. And that's what makes the classes so much fun. So hopefully you guys can catch my USTREAM class. I will leave a link below to my USTREAM channel for those of you who haven't had the opportunity to check it out. But here are the pages, skateboard style, lots of interactions. You don't know when this one, if you're coming or going, guys, because there's layer upon layer upon layer, just like with the Retrofit Mini. But everything has a home, everything has a spot, and you're going to love that. Like, for instance, right here, journaling, photograph. There's a spot for everything in these, all right? And always what to do with these pre-cut out pieces that you get in your paper collection. Here you go. We're doing that up in this album. Photo mats, of course. This is just a pocket assembly right here. And then check out all of the interaction. Another pocket assembly here, which is kind of fun because it looks like a tag, but it's a pocket. And everything interacts, guys. So you don't have to cut 500 different pieces because there's like a small, a medium, and a large, and everything fits in every spot. All right, guys. And I love that when I'm creating a mini album. So it kind of takes the guesswork out of everything. So see, that fits in there, this fits in here, that fits in there, this fits in here. So you got to pick small, medium, and large, and you're good to go with your project. All right. So that's just one page. On the back side, again with the small, medium, and large. This is the medium. It fits back here. It fits in this back pocket over here, which I love, which I'm calling the corner pocket. I was tempted to name this mini album the corner pocket, but I changed my mind. There is going to be a larger style album in this same style for those of you who like my larger albums. Personally, I gravitate toward the larger albums. So if you're interested in the larger style album, you want to go ahead and wait for that tutorial to come out. And there's a couple of new designs that I have for that album. Here, once again, using our scraps, what we did during the Retrofitted Mini was use those scraps. Here's a little teeny piece of scrap that I had, and I made a really sweet photo mat right there. And you all know you got a picture this size, right? So that's where it goes. That's exactly where it's going to go. Pocket, just like on the neighboring page, all the same, but you just jazz it up with the different small, medium, and large style tags, and it looks totally different, and there's a surprise at every turn. Over here, these are the journaling tags that you got in your kit, guys. And instead of using it like this, why not fold it over, create a really cute photo mat, and put a little title on there and be done. Here are the chipboard pieces you all are getting in your kit. Here's a large tag for those of you who are wondering the small, medium, and large. All right. And everything, again, is interactive and interchangeable, which I love. Simplifying the whole interactive layer upon layer type of process. So this is the album for the September Kit Club. I still got a lot of work to do on it because, again, I like, peeling away all of the different elements in an album. So I've got quite a bit of work to do on this, but you all will see the finished project during the USTREAM class, and of course, as always, in the tutorial you get pictures of the finished project. So this is it, the vintage lunchbox project with mini album, and I hope you all enjoy it, and I can't wait till you all get your kit because it's a lot of fun. Look out on the kit, I'm having a hard time closing this, on the Kit Club blog for your bonus project. It's going to be a really nice accompaniment to this album, so look out for it, guys. This is Kathy with the Paper Phenomenon Kit Club, and until next time.